Welcome to TrueSight Capacity Optimization How-To series. Today we're going to describe some content for the vSphere view. As we go into the vSphere view, the first page shows some key metrics for the vSphere clusters. With the vSphere clusters, there are numerous compute, utilization, and trending metrics provided. As an administrator needing to deploy a new VM, I have the necessary information to decide which cluster I would like to place the new VM on. If you look on the right-hand side of the video, you can actually see that this cluster has room for 202 new VMs based on the last 30-day average typical VM. Using the host page, virtualization administrators can proactively bring host memory overcommit back into compliance based on their utilization threshold. If you sort the memory commit column, you'll get a ranked list of hosts that are over the threshold boundary. Now you can take action with idle VMs or move VMs off the host to bring the memory commit back into compliance. By drilling into the host that is in question, you can actually check to see if there's any current recommendations available to help you with the overcommit situation. Since we're noting recommendations, let's go on to the recommendation page. TrueSight Capacity Optimization provides recommendations in areas of improvement both from an efficiency and risk perspective. Using the efficiency recommendations, you have visibility into areas to improve vSphere's efficiency. As we expand the list of opportunities for efficiencies, let's drill into some of the details for idle VMs. As you can see here, this recommendation shows that you can have a savings of about 2.549 terabytes. Now let's drill into the detail for an old snapshot VM recommendation. This recommendation shows a savings of about 256 gigabytes. These types of recommendations help you be more efficient for your vSphere environment. Using risk recommendations, you quickly identify areas of concern based on forecast and thresholds. Let's look at this critical recommendation. As you can see, the next 90 days, you will need to add memory to this environment. If you want to avoid adding memory, you can take the above actions, and you can actually get a list of VMs to bring your forecast back into compliance. Using this list, you now can work with your business or IT service owner to determine if you can decommission them or move them to a different host. Another way to look at capacity is by using maps. Maps provide you visibility into your capacity hotspots versus the tabular format that you've been seeing. Red being the area that has the highest level of constraints within your vSphere environment, where yellow and green have a lesser degree of capacity constraints. I appreciate your attention to this video and look forward to talking to you in the future.